What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're going to talk about my off-road lighting situation on my 25 ZR2 Colorado. But first, I'm going to show you guys what type of clips, off-road clips we got today, and then I'll swing back around and show you guys my nice light setup. All right, so we had some fun time out here on the desert this week. Got some sick ass photos, but so we're starting up front. We have the DV8 6-inch or 7-inch lights. You can use my discount code to get those on the website. So they have these amber DRLs. You can also make these a white DRL, but I like the amber ones, dropping down to match my rigid Evolve series. Little 1-inch lights. Those also have a amber backlight. So the two little amber backlights, they do match, which I do like. But let me turn on the main spot light and all my other lights. I'll show you guys that, but I really do like this amber colored backlight. All right, so coming around to my actual switch I use the Switch Pros D900 switch panel, and it's from an SDHQ mount, so it kind of mounts really nice and OEM right here onto my center console. But let's turn the ambers off, and we'll turn my rear lights on, my spotlights in the front, and then my light bar in the front right there. So we got all those on, and then come over here to the front. Oh, we can see to the moon. But let's coming up here. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but we have the 7-inch circle DV8 lights. Those things are dang bright. I have the DRLs off, so those just are spotlights that shoot out they go pretty dang far out there, which this is pretty much all I really need. And then coming down below that, I have a rigid 30-inch light bar, which fits inside the bumper. This is all for the DV8 tube style bumper. You guys can run pretty much this type of setup on your rig if you want. But I have that rigid light bar, which is pretty dang bright also, with the DV8 7-inch spotlights up top. Really love that combo. I do have those little pods right there. Those are the rigid Evolve series lights also, but I don't have those ones hooked up. I only have the backlight hooked up for those ones. Something happened in my wiring harness where I wired it wrong, so disregard those, but they will kind of be like some side shooter lights that could kind of shoot out this way. This area would be nice, but for now, we are just gonna run this. And then once we come back around to the back side here, we have the chase lights, which are integrated into the DV8 tube style rear bumper. So let me put all my stuff up here. So for my camper lights, I have the GFC lights, and they are pretty much mounted into my dual battery system right there. We're gonna turn on the red light, which I really do love the red light. It's definitely a vibe around camp. Love that. You know, it just keeps the bugs away and everything like that. So let me push this up here. And those are my chase lights. So my chase lights shoot pretty dang far. They shoot out far, and they make sure no one rear ends me on the trail. And yeah, that's pretty much my whole rear setup. That's all I really need. I don't have any like upper lights for the top here, but let's turn those off because it is getting late. We need to head back into town. All right, so let's hop in the truck and I will show you guys my light pattern, how far it goes, how far it shoots and everything like that. So let me hop up in here. I kind of got a bunch of stuff in here from off-roading today. It was a fun time, found some cool trails, a little water crossing area. But let's get this all set up here. So let me, so we're in the truck right now. Let me turn the light down here. And we'll come back here, we'll turn my headlights on to auto. And this right now is going to be my spotlight, my DV8 6-inch lights, and my light bar. And we'll turn those off. You can see kind of pretty good. The OEM ZR2 lights are actually pretty dang good. Turn the DRLs on, you can't really even see. Oh, that's a spot, sorry. DRLs, you can't even tell what it looks like, but everything for off-roading, I kind of have the light bar in this. It definitely does suck if I'm in the back, but if I'm in the front, this is perfect. Perfect. This is all I really need, but if you're in the back and you have white light, you're definitely not gonna be able to see through the dust. I do need to get those rigid Evolve series lights hooked up for my side shooters because they're a little bit not as bright over there, but that's fine with me. I'm not really a huge fan of ditch lights. I just kind of like keeping it clean and simple. And yeah, there's my nice Wolfbox camera. It's my underbody camera. But yeah, that's pretty much my light situation right here from POV angle. All right, so that's about it for this week's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this off-road nighttime light review. For all the DV8 lights, you can use my code DowntimeLost, full caps, on their website to get any type of lights for your rig. Especially the tube style bumper if you want the sweet circle lights and everything like that. DRLs, backlit. You can get white backlit, like I said, but I like the amber setup. But yeah, this is a really fun day out here with Jake. He actually had a ZR2 before. He had the blue one with the 80D bumper. Local Arizona guy sold it and he got a new car. So he shot some photos for me and it's been an awesome day. But that's about it for this week's video, guys. I got to go home. It's Sunday right now and I got to work at 5 a.m. tomorrow. So peace out. Love you guys. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also the little star icon. It's called a hype. It helps small creators like me, and I would appreciate it so much. But let me know down in the comments what type of light setup you guys have. But love you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.